Trouble getting affiliate marketing to pay off? Try these ideas. Have you ever thought of promoting an affiliate product that you didn't really believe in? This isn't the worst thing you could do, but it sure makes it harder for you to convince others about why they should buy it from you. Increase your chances of earning big by choosing to promote products that are the best fit for you using these tips. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. Successful affiliate marketers work on a 4-to-1 formula for the best results. This simply means that 80% of their time online is spent marketing products and building up a strong base, while the other 20% is for goofing off or for checking out tutorial videos on how to market. The lion's share of your time should be devoted solely to working. Look for easy-to-sell products when you first start out. In the beginning, you don't want to be advertising for something no one has ever heard of. It puts pressure on both you and the consumer. The best way to go is to look at what products are currently hot and start with those. Once you have established a base, you can move to more challenging sales. When in doubt, just think about what is important or useful to you. Chances are, if you really have a need for a specific product, someone else out there does too. Let your sincerity shine through in your affiliate marketing campaigns, and your customers will buy from you because they trust you and believe in you. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.